literal equation and is an equation or formula that has more than one variable. So let's say you turn on your phone and check out the degree and weather for tomorrow. So do you use Fahrenheit or Celsius? Most people in the US use Fahrenheit, but however, I use Celsius a lot. So Fahrenheit and Celsius are used to measure temperature. So for Fahrenheit, we use the letter F. For Celsius, we use the letter C. So for example, the 30 Celsius and 86 Fahrenheit, they are exactly the same. So when I do the setting on my phone, I set the temperature to Celsius because I have been using Celsius for many years. So if you tell me that tomorrow's weather is 30 Celsius, I know that tomorrow is going to be a hot day. If you say tomorrow is 86 degree Fahrenheit, I don't have like a good sense of what 86 degree Fahrenheit is, but if you say 30 degrees Celsius, I know tomorrow is going to be a hot day. All right, so how do you convert back and forth from Fahrenheit to Celsius or from Celsius to Fahrenheit? So there are two equations. So the first equation you see on the left is you have a Fahrenheit, you convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius. So that is C equals to 5/9 times F minus 32. So let's say I give you a Fahrenheit 90 degrees. So what is the corresponding Celsius? So here is what you have to do. You plug in 90 to F. So that is C equals to 5/9 times 90 minus 32. So that is C equals to 5/9 times 62. So that is equals to 34.4 Celsius. So because I use Celsius on my phone, if you tell me tomorrow is going to be 34.4 degrees Celsius, I know that tomorrow is going to be super hot. But 90 degree, but if you never use Celsius, if someone tell you that tomorrow is 30.4 degrees Celsius, you don't have a sense of what it is in your mind, right? But if someone tells you that tomorrow is going to be 90 degrees Fahrenheit, then you know that tomorrow is going to be a hot day. So how about from Celsius back to Fahrenheit? So we have another equation on the right that is Fahrenheit equals to 9/5 times Celsius plus 32. So let's say I have a number 35 degree Fahrenheit that is super hot. If tomorrow is 35 degree Fahrenheit, then it will be super hot. All right, so all you have to do is you plug in 35 to C, so that will be 9/5 times 35 plus 32, and then 9/5. What a big mistake over there. 95 times 32, no parentheses, so that will be 35, and then plus 32, and then Fahrenheit, and then you can simplify that. 5 divided by 5 is 1, 35 divided by 5 is 7, and then you have a 63 plus 32, so 63 plus 32 is 95, so 63 plus 32, that is equals to 95 degree Fahrenheit. So 95 degree Fahrenheit is going to be a very hot day. So the next thing that I would like to do is, hey, what if I start at the equation on the left? How do I derive the equation on the right? So what I'm trying to do now is I want to start at this C equals to 5/9 times F minus 32. I want to derive this equation, 9/5C plus 32. Okay, go from the equation on the left to the equation on the right. So what you have to do is, starting on the equation on the left hand side, you have to isolate F on one side. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will have to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, 9/5. And then after that, the fraction on the right hand side is gone. So you have 9/5C equals to F minus 32. And then you add 32 on both sides. You have 9/5C plus 32 equals to F. So that is the equations you have right there. And then on the other hand, how do you go from Fahrenheit back to Celsius? So let's say you have F equals to 9/5C plus 32. I want you to derive C is equals to 5/9 times f minus 32. So first you subtract 32 on both sides, so f minus 32 is equals to 9 over 5 times Celsius, and then you multiply both sides by the reciprocal, 5 over 9, and then this is 5 over 9, so you end up with C on the right hand side, and then you have 5 over 9 times f minus 32. So that's how you derive this equation. Alright, so that is the end of this video. If you think my instruction is helpful, let me know in the comment below. Like the video, share the video for me, subscribe to my channel. Appreciate your help and support. See you all in the next one. Signing off for now.